So this is tight in here. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this or not. So this is somewhere whereabouts I've got to fit this. Oh my goodness. That is bloody tight in there, lad. Oh, bloody tight. So Liz is away watching a live Back to the Future show, so I've been let loose to come to B&Q by myself to get some half-inch pipe fittings. Let's see what else I buy, yeah, while I'm in there. It looks quite busy, so I'm not going to take the camera with us. So I'll tell you what I buy when I come back. I've got the fittings that I think might work, but hey, yo, I'm making it up as I go, so let's see. So I'm fitting this water filter. It's got a carbon block filter in, so I'll put all the information up so you can see exactly what it does. I thought it'd be really useful, especially if we're going to go as far and wide in this trip as what I think we're going to go. Hopefully, plans are... Oh God, I shouldn't really share the plans. Sorry about that. That's for later when Mrs. W comes back. Right, anyway, I'm going to crack on, because I need to crack on, and I'm just talking shit. That is bloody tight. But I think I'm going to do it. The fittings I got were right there. I like that. That's always a good sign. Basically, I'm hiding out the way of the sun. I've got the connections on. And they all connect to that male fitting there. And that male fitting there will connect to that female fitting there. Next biggest thing is going to be trying to get it under here somewhere, because there's also a shelf that goes in here, but I've taken that out for now. But hey, let's see how that goes. So I'm sure there's loads of people already have water filters, but it just, for us, it'll give us a little bit more freedom of where we can get water from, because obviously, like I said before, we've got smaller tanks. Just gives us a little bit more freedom, I think. Safe freedom. Safety's the key. I'm just drilling the holes now to fit the water filter. Water filter's in, hoses are in, hoses are attached. Yeah. So I'm going to do that now. Bye. So that's it. Filter's in. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Or more so, let's see if it leaks. Here we go. We have leaks. Well, would you look at that? No leaks. Yeah, there was some leaks. That was a success. Today's a different day. It's been absolutely lashing down all day. I had other jobs to do on the van, but a lot of them were outside, so I'll not be doing them. So for now, I'll show you this. Don't even know how much you can see. It's pretty dark in there, but that's it with a shelf in. It's damn tight, if you know what I'm saying. And I did have to modify the shelf a little bit. It already had that notch out, because I had a feeling I was going to stick something like that in there, but I didn't realise it was going to be sticking out as far, so yeah. Anyway, there you go. It does actually... Hold on. I decided to make some mounts so I can mount the jerry can to a ladder on the back, which worked successfully. I now have to take that off because I've got some other traction boards that I also want to make a mount, so I can mount them higher up on the ladder above the jerry can. So I'm going to take that off now so you can join us while I do that. That's it, it's off. And while I've got it off, I'm going to take it back in the house and I'm going to put something onto it. But these are the brackets I made. And they basically just clamp around the back of the ladder. bolted to there. I should have maybe said, they were boring to film. So anyway, on to the next task. Basically what I'm going to do is, with the jerry can holder, is put a reflective sign on the back, simply because I want to. And by the way, guess who's come to join us?
Hi guys, back from Kent/London. I've got a little bit of footage. I didn't manage to get.
Anyway, none of that. So that's job done. So next job. So next time you see that, you'll have traction boards on there. Right then, let's get on with that. Let's get these recovery boards mounted to the ladder. First of all, I've got to make a mount. So best get on with that. That's the bracket, so let's get it installed. Remodelling and upgrades continue next week, where I decided to try and make more space in the rear. Please consider smashing the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye now.